This is Liurgo. It's like a squid, 200 grams. Liurgo 200 grams, 200 grams. This is heavy. This is good for jigging. Yeah, look at the tie. It's like a squid. Yeah. This is. It has two big hooks. So see, hook. It's good for jigging. I'll try it when I go jigging back in the Philippines. I'm sure it catch big fish like barracuda. Thank you.